2005 S2000, this has 130,000 miles. We purchased this car. It's going to be in a different video. It came with a Comptech icebox on there. So we want to do a comparison between that and the factory AirBox with our AirBox mod. That way we can show you exactly what happens. We're going to be kind of surprised ourselves. So stay tuned for the results. We're going to do it all on the same day. No tricks. No trying to sell you one intake over another. We don't sell intakes. So this is a complete unbiased test. So we're on the dyno. We're going to bring it up to temperature, do 2 runs with this intake, and then we'll let it cool down for a minute while we change it to the factory intake with a K&N filter. The strut bar has to be removed, obviously, to get the intake off. 221 that time, got a little bit of heat in the motor. That's a strong setup right there. So this already has an AirBox mod. It's not as clean as what we do, but the end result is the same. It has this piece cut out here, so it allows more air across the filter. Factory tube, the solenoid is already mounted on the frame. It was already put that way and relocated, so we're just going to leave it. That way, if it gets modified in the future, it gets a turbo, supercharger, intake, it's already mounted and out of your way. So we're going to bring it up to temperature. As you saw in the other ones, it actually made more power once it had a little heat in it. And like I mentioned, over the years, I've noticed the higher mileage S2000s make a little bit more power than the low mileage ones. It seems like they break in and they're a little bit looser. Let's go ahead and do a run, see where we are at. We have the single fan blowing on it right now. We're not trying to trick this. Keep in mind, we're not making any money on intake, so we don't want to have one intake make more than the other. We have nothing to gain from it. That intake VTEC changeover is so late. Unbelievable. Did you fake that? You guys are tricking it. You guys are trying to sell factory airboxes. I know it. You guys. So there we go, 223. It's only a little bit up there. I mean, all the way through here is pretty much the same. Torque is 155. Do another back-to-back run while it's hot. We'll do it continuous testing here, just so. And again, I'm just joking, guys. We have nothing to gain from this. We don't sell intakes or airboxes, so we don't really care. Just hope you guys are following along and enjoying this test. .226. This is actually interesting. So this is it, right? No tricking. There's no nitrous in it, no ice bags. This is just the way it sits. Fan is right here. And again, I'm trying to show you this because you guys think I've got some ulterior motive selling AirBox mods, and I really don't. I really don't. I'm trying to sell happiness. Oh, hey, you gotta clear the screen. There you go. .226 again. 226, 157. It's definitely making power. It's a really healthy car. So that was the best run with the intake and the best run with the AirBox mod. As you see, it actually makes more than I thought it did. And again, I won't try to, sway your opinions on this, but it did make more, and I believe it's going to make more consistent power. Just run after run after run. Keep in mind how much Honda has done for this intake. This is sealing from the heat. There is so much heat here. If you saw some of our videos way back in the day, we used to sell a heat shield. Yeah, we were the first ones to sell it. It was a carbon heat shield that went across here. my theory is it stopped the radiant heat into the airbox. I don't know if it worked. It definitely didn't hurt and it looked nice. But now we're only drawing cold air from here, which is where Honda's designed it to go. We're sealing the heat away. This is a resonator box. Doesn't do anything. This tube is as smooth as any intake tube there is on the market. So that goes to show how good the factory S2000 airbox is. So with a little bit of tweaking, airbox mod, can and filter, what else do you want? Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, give us a big thumbs up. We'll do some more testing for you. And don't forget, tune in for the video called Silver Dancer. You'll see what I mean. It'll be worth the wait.